In this video, you will see how to add border in passport size photo in Word document like this. It's very easy. First, click on passport size photo. Then right click on it. And here at the bottom, you will see the option of format picture. Click on this option. And then under the format picture, you need to click here on fill and line. And you may see like this. So you need to click on the line option and select the option solid line. Now you will see here color of the border. First you need to select the option black or any other color you want. And this width is the thickness of the border. Right now we don't see the border. So for example, I will make here 1.75 and press enter. And as you can see, we have a black border around the picture now. Similarly, you can also increase or decrease the border size as required. For example, if I enter 5 points, the border thickness will increase. Like this, you can control the border thickness, and if you want dash or a dotted type border, you can select it from here as well. In this way, you can add border in passport size photo in Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to photo in Word. See you again in the next one.